we were young, we burned.
Well guys, it's a couple days after VanFest and we have been parked on some BLM land with probably about 30 or 40 other rigs from VanFest. Just enjoying the area, and it has just been honestly so amazing. I think we got so lucky for this being our first week, being immediately connected to this community, learning a lot of tips and tricks and making new friends. It's just been such a phenomenal experience so far.
It's been great. It definitely has been lonely, you know, from the start. So we've just been around just great people the whole time.
Yeah.
Meeting the van and schoolie community, and it's just been great.
Yeah.
I really can't really describe it. Time is a little bit slower, shoulders are at ease.
Time is a little bit sweeter too.
It's great. It's a long honeymoon for us too. So
yeah, it's been just so special. Getting to hear people's stories and their experiences.
we think we heard
Oh,
something.
it's a rat or something.
Oh,
Look,
well, I'm trying to...
I don't know. Has a tail.
Molly over here getting the Jeepers Creepers on us, you know. But yeah, right now we're on a hike. There's Van and schoolie community. They're back there doing some yoga. We're taking a morning hike. Zion, the mother cliff and the wall back there, it opens up once we get maybe another half mile up this area. But that's what we're doing right now, and our dogs are here with us. Whole fam's here. Can't complain. Loving life.
Tucky. Early morning in Zion.
That's right.
Got that 7 a.m. shuttle pass.
That's right.
Oh, what's up? Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Don't look over the edge.
I kind of want to.
This is terrible, don't ever do it.
You.
I feel like every person that is descending looks like they might bark.
It's not that bad. I don't hike and it's not that bad.
I keep saying that.
Love that.
It's just like exhausting coming down waiting for people, so we're all just like
Over it.
over it, yeah. Good luck.
I just want to be on ground.
You got this.
Thanks. Appreciate it. You got this. You're almost done.
Thank goodness.
Seriously, what a mixed bag.
Yeah, what a mixed bag of marbles we got here. Like,
You guys.
Good thing this is not a restaurant.
like literally, he just stuck his credit card in or whatever, and we're like, yeah, it says 8 feet, but no one's gonna be checking. And then this guy is standing literally like with his arm against our van, and it's like,
The timing.
he's like, I think. We're like, hey, is there a problem? He's like, oh, are these your guys' vans? We're like, yeah.
Yeah, we're about
they
to pay.
are."
Yeah, we're about to pay.
No, and then he's like, I think you're over 8 feet tall.
That is what happened. That is exactly how this conversation went. Yeah.
Obviously.
You should have been there. You really should have been there. Why did you just dip?
We did ask him what the fuck.
Oh,
And he's like, it's $120 for getting out of here.
We're out. We're out. Bye.
the TripAdvisor review was right. $125 parking.
away.
My guy.
All right.
So we
What
go.
sorcery is this? Catch. Ready?
Yeah. Those are pretty. Oh.
Marina and I are like,
I wish you had caught that.
Yeah.
I'm a ninja.
Always.
each other's wings.
Now let me see the sauce.
I am on the back of Wonderbox right now. Oh. Hopefully we find a spot soon. The only problem is that our new friends, Yelena and Andrew, they need to work tomorrow. Apparently the Wi-Fi is not good here, so we'll see what happens.
We're going on a hike today. That's right. We are going on a hike. Hey Mol, why you want to go hiking today?
Just to get my body active, see some beautiful sights with my love and new friends.
Yeah?
What better place to hike than in Bryce? What? And we're following you.
Keon.
Yeah.
First J. Cole lyric that comes to
Oh
mind.
gosh. Yo, I'm tired. First things first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real.
Out of breath. We're almost there.
I just lost the game.
I just lost the game.
taking me out. I'm gonna go where I've never been. I'm gonna go where I've never been. I'm gonna do something I never did, where I've never been.
Water's ice cold, but it's refreshing, especially on the toes after a long hike. What do you think of water? Murky. Hey Mom, what'd you think of the hike in Bryce Canyon today?
Oh, you mean the half-mile hike that took us 3 hours?
Half mile, 3 hours. Best shape of our lives. Come on over here and give Big Daddy a smacking.
last time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, so 2 bridges.
Wall Street.
Wall Street.
But it's Saturday.
Hold on, let me look at this map real quick.
Shit's closed.
So total, we're doing about a 6-mile loop. Here at Bryce National Park, we are on a part of the trail called Peekaboo. Check it out. What do you think, babe?
Great hike so far. It's gorgeous. Just all the different color changes in the rock.
Look at that. What was that?
The ears with the elephants. Is it Sonos or Sonar? Whatever.
Sonar.
Sonar. I think
Sonos
the Sonos
is the speaker.
is the speakers. But yeah, big ears be flat on the horse.
I'm lost in your energy. You got me feeling weightless, no gravity. I feel so hard when you look at me.
Wow, guys, what an amazing past couple days in Bryce. We made some new friends, got to hang out with them, hike with them. It was honestly so refreshing. It was so nice to meet people, to share conversations with them, and bonfires and hikes. It was just beautiful. Some of those people we know will be likely lifelong friends, and we're excited to meet up with everyone on the road again someday. With that being said, we are still hanging out with Andrew and Yelena. We are going to be going to get some lunch real quick, and then we're headed towards Capitol Reef National Park. I think we're going to try to stop in Escalante for the Grand Staircase, but we'll see if it works out, and if not, then we're going to do Capitol Reef, and then we're going to hit up Goblin State Park, and then Arches/Moab, and then make our way to Salt Lake. So we are so excited to continue to share this journey with you.
Yeah, like just everything that she said. But what I loved about this group of people is that when you have to gut check yourself like 3 or 4 times every night because you're just laughing so hard around the campfire,